How to see save passwords on your Android. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose from Create Login and Delete. Without further ado, let's dive right into the video. To view your save passwords on your Android, first of all launch Settings application. Scroll down to the bottom and locate Google. Open it. Now once you reach on this section, you simply need to find out your Google account at top. Tap on it. Now simply tap Manage your Google account. Now you have to choose security button or option at top right corner of the screen. Scroll down and locate the option of password manager. Once you locate, you will see that you have 8 passwords saved in your Google account. So let's tap manage password. Now here you can see all your saved passwords on your Android device. You can simply tap on it and open it by using your fingerprints, and after verification you can easily view your passwords that you have saved on your Android. If you wish to modify, you can do that as well. So in this way you can successfully see saved passwords on your Android. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching.